Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Naina. I'm founder of Career Views and today I'm going to share my tips with you about staying positive during job search. Job searching is a process that could be as short as few weeks or it could be as long as several months. An applicant goes on an emotional roller coaster while being on a job search journey. You sometimes have responses to your emails immediately, getting connected to the people you want to. But some days there are like complete silence. There are days during the job search when you feel confused, helpless, frustrated through the non-responsiveness of the recruiters and your applications. So I'm going to share 5 strategies with you that keeps your emotions under control while being on job search. The first thing that you must keep in mind is when you are approaching anybody, you should not just say, I'm looking for a job that utilizes my skills well. It's a very confusing message to give it to somebody. What are your skills? What you want to utilize? What is your background and profile? What kind of experience you have? You're missing out so much of information while reaching out to anyone. Now hear this sentence again. I'm looking for a job of a social media manager within the healthcare sector. I'm looking for a job around Dubai area, but I'm open for other Emirates as well. It makes a lot of difference of how you speak of yourself. Your network or whosoever you are talking to or writing to can be more helpful if you are very specific about what you're looking for. So be very precise in mentioning what exactly you are looking for in the job role. The second thing is networking. Continuous networking is very important for being successful in job search. Candidates using networking strategies are more likely to get hired than the candidates who are only using job boards. It makes your routine very monotonous. You sit in front of the computer, you keep on pressing easy apply button. But this is not the right way to look for a job. You should go by all means and all ways to find the career of your dreams. It's always a good idea to network with people, network to them even before starting a job search. As a part of new normal, we all have learned so many new things. Using social media other than LinkedIn is a part of new normal as well. LinkedIn is a very good portal. You get to see the exact professional profile, but Facebook and Instagram are no less. Make your Instagram and Facebook profile updated, be active, have friends, clearly mention them what exactly you're looking for, seek their advice or informational interviews. This will help you network with them. It will have a wider reach of your application. Increasing your network through making good friends is another way of keeping yourself motivated during your job search. Another thing that you could do on social media is following the companies of interest. Whichever company you are interested to work for, it's always a good idea to follow their social media pages. If you have time, do not miss any virtual conferences. Virtual conferences are a great idea to network with people online. During a pandemic, it's very difficult to visit and meet people in person. Your social media presence says a lot about you. At the same time, attending these kind of conferences or virtual events is a great idea to network with like-minded professionals. Lastly, don't put your blood, sweat, heart, mind, soul, everything in a job search. You are a person who is whole in itself. Job search might be a part of your life, but it's not your entire life. So stay focused on the other things as well, which are more important to you and help you stay optimistic. Today I'm going to share my tips with you on how to stay optimistic during a job search. Number one tip is starting your day with the things that you love. Whether it's meditation, going for a long walk, do whatever your health and your sanity needs. Second, be consistent with your job applications. Third thing, stay very optimistic. Job search could be longer than few months, so it's very important you stay optimistic. Some more things that you could do is start the day by doing the things that you really like and you never had time for. Secondly, you could always set up your boundaries right. Don't let any negativity or negative thoughts, negative comments, negative people to enter your boundaries. Always have faith in your talents. Things work out for people. Everybody has their own timings. So have faith in your talents. Staying motivated while job search is the most important thing. Stay optimistic, keep increasing your network, and one day you will land into a dream job offer. When you approach companies, it's very important that you mention what you could contribute to the business. Make sure to write in your job application that what kind of contributions you have made in the past and what you could do for the company or the industry you are willing to join. I hope you found this video useful. If you need job searching strategies specific to your profile, do reach out to me by writing to me on contact@careerviews.com. Visit my website www.careerviews.com. It has a lot of free and paid inspiration for people who aspire to achieve something. Thanks for watching this video.